Hello, thanks for let's talk about future plans. Presented by María Catalina Tovar, tutor Camilo Andrés Caicedo Guzmán, group 518. Introduction. In the following presentation, future plans will be taken into account using the sin, future, and future perfect expression through the expression and house. I have always considered myself a responsible, hardworking person who never stops dreaming, who fights every day the wilder every day and who my parents a better future. Hold an expectation on the future. In the year 2025, I will complete my university degree in business administration. I will have started the creation of my company. My mission is to have my own company, to be independent person, and to exploit each of my abilities. Okay. I long for my own home in the future. I will have managed to have the house of my dream with a beautiful view of my municipality. Travel the world. I will have traveled through different countries of my beautiful countries with my husband, especially the United States, Europe, Canada, with good health. Everything will be possible. Health and my happiness to his family. I will have long to have a quiet life with the necessary luxuries for me and my family. We will be completely happy. Thank you so much.